Hi guys, today I'm taking over to show you how to make cupcakes, which I made as a surprise for Mother's Day. These are the ingredients that were used and is also listed in the description below. Firstly, we will be adding all the sugar into the hand mixer. Once that step has been completed, we then add the butter in with the sugar. I then turned on the mixer at a slow speed to mix the butter and sugar together until we get a creamy texture, as we can see in this clip. Once there is a creamy texture, we then add the eggs in one at a time, in order for the batter to be mixed thoroughly. As the eggs has been mixed well, I add in the flour in batches so there are no clumps in the cake. I then put the mixer on high speed and cover the mixer to avoid it going everywhere. As the first batch I put in is mixed in well enough, I add more flour and repeat this step. After this step, I then add the baking powder in along with a dash of milk. As this is mixing, I measure out how much of the vanilla extract I will be using. Once all the ingredients have been added, we leave the mixer until we get a smooth and creamy texture. I then place 12 cases into the cupcake pan. Once everything is in line, I will take a quarter of the batter and place it into each of the cupcake cases. I gently tap the tray to avoid any air bubbles. After 20 minutes in the oven, this is the finished result. But we can't forget the icing. So I cream some butter and icing sugar to make it appealing. I then surprised my mum with the cakes I baked for her. You'll be able to see the cake was fluffy and soft, so don't forget to try this recipe at home. Thanks friends, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.